Hello everybody, welcome back to Cloudwings Technology. My name is Bahadur and today you are going to learn Kubernetes essential commands. Guys, this is day 4 of this Kubernetes 0 to Hero course. So let's begin today's session. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you the theoretical part of each Kubernetes command and we are not going to do the practical of each this command. But yeah, definitely when we are going to learn the advanced concept of the Kubernetes or Kubernetes resources, there I will show these commands how you can use. And there I will not explain about these commands. That's why I have created this video so that you can understand the theoretical part of these commands and you can understand the goal of each the command. So let's understand step by step each command so you can understand how and why this command. So in front of you, you have the command like kubectl get nodes. So no is stands for or shorts for nodes. So you can write either nodes, node or no, right? So this command is used to see available worker nodes or nodes. How many nodes are available in your system? Then you have kubectl get no-o. So this command is used to see available worker node along with the extra information like internal IP, external IP. So here the -o is means output. So in which format you want to see the output? I told it I want in a wide format. Wide means the extra information. Okay, so then you have next command is describe. So it will describe your nodes. Then you have another command is to kubectl get no-o and -o yml. So O means output and YML means this time I want my output format as a YML. You already know about YML format. If you watched our Kubernetes series, there I have explained each about the these YML format. If you haven't watched till yet now, not problem at all. We'll discuss more about the YAML in this Kubernetes series. So then in front of you, you have next command is stop. Guys, if you follow or watch our Linux course, there we have discussed about the how you can see the number of how much CPU is your system is having, right? So same thing is here to see the process, how much memory, how much CPU in your system. So here you can see the available or uses of your worker node, right? How much memory your worker node is using, how much CPU is using. So that thing you can see by firing this command kubectl top node, and here you will give your node name. So this is how you can see the process of your node. Then we have next pods. So like you have pods, so you can also see the pods. How you can see the pods? So kubectl get pods, or either you can write a PO or pod. So this will list all your pods. Then we have another command with pod kubectl get PO pod with along with -o wide. This time I will also want to see the output in the wide format. That means I want to see the more information about the pod. Then you have the describe. You can also describe a pod, right? So you can see network volumes, all these things. If you describe, use this command describe. This will describe your entire pod, where your data is going to store, which network is used, which port number, which container, which daemon D, everything. This will describe over your pod. And then you have the another is show. Guys, if you remember, we used to when we are going to learn about the pods, there I will teach you how you can give the labels. So if you want to get those labels, then you will you will use this command. So kubectl get PO and --show -labels. Then you have another command is kubectl get pods. In this time I want in the YAML format. YAML means what? This will give you the output in the machine readable as well as the human readable format. So then you have the next is to see the logs of the pods. Guys, if you remember in when we learned about the Kubernetes container, there we used a command called docker logs, right? So in order to see the logs of the container, same command is here, kubectl logs, right? Here we are getting here we want to see the logs of the pod, and there we use to docker logs to see the logs of the container. So this is also very important command. So you will see how you can use this command as well. And let's see namespaces. So here also you can see, if you want to see available namespaces, you can use kubectl get namespaces, and you can see in the you can change the format for that, how you can use YML, and you can also describe. And you have another is a deployment. Also for deployment, you can use this deployment. You can kubectl get deployment, right? So if you want to see how many deployment you have, so in order to set those deployment, you can use this kubectl get deployment. Then you have another command is kubectl describe deploy. It will describe your deployment. Then you can also use the scale deploy, right? Number of replicas you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. So this is the manual process, right? We will also learn how you can automate this. Then you have the kubectl delete deploy. So you can also delete a deployment. Then you have the service concept service, right? You all know about the services. We'll learn about more each service, and there you will understand why and how that service. So to see the available services, you have the kubectl get services, or you have SVC. Also, you can give the its service abbreviations. Then you have the kubectl describe, and it will describe your service, and you can also edit the service. Guys, this command is also very important, because when we are going to work with Ingress, there I will use how you can use this edit command and how you can edit your service. Then kubectl create SVC and notepad. So this is how you can create a service manually by command, right? We will use this as well, but this is not industry standard. So instead of using this command, we will use the YAML file in order to create your service. Okay, then you have the daemon set. So this is also a resource. In order to see the daemon set, you can use kubectl get daemon set. So most of commands are same. You just change the resource type, right? So here also you can see, you can describe, you can delete, and with config map and secret also you can use same command. Here you can use here in order to see the config map. So CM, right? C command in kubectl get CM, not CM, not Rajasthan CMs. Here is config map. Kubectl get secrets. Kubectl gets config map -o YML. So like that. For storage also you can use this. You can use the PVC describe, like that you can get cluster and help, right? So like that you have these commands, and hope you guys you understood today's video. If you are getting something from this video, so please like this video, and if you want to master of the Kubernetes, please subscribe the channel. I'll definitely train you, and you will be able to answer each questions of the Kubernetes if you follow me, and definitely you will be master of the Kubernetes. In the end of this session, I want to say please like and share this channel, so that we will get the motivation in order to create more videos. Thank you.